We're here today at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. I've got stock number 28417T. This is a Ram 3500 Laramie edition, and this is a cab chassis. We have not put an upfit on this yet, and just on the chassis itself, it is equipped obviously as a Laramie would be, with the bright chrome grille, bright bumpers, tow hooks in the front, high intensity headlamps, fog lights. I do have the alloy wheels on this one to dress, you're in a Laramie, let's dress it up real good. It's a 3500 heavy duty with the Cummins turbo diesel crew cab. It does have trailer tow mirrors on it. These mirrors do flip out, so it gives you a better view of what you're towing as you're going down the road. They do flip back down. And again, it's got the 6.7 Cummins turbo diesel with the Ison transmission. We have the max tow package on this. So, applications for this could be a service body, a flatbed, a stake bed. The axle ratio, it's a 60-inch CA. That's axle to cab. So you've got different applications you can use on this. It does have the power takeoff group, so if you are hooking up some kind of compressor or anything like that, that can be upfitted. It does have the vinyl flooring in it. A little different option that we put in it. Fold flat floor, storage area underneath the seats here in the back. Nice little feature is there's a light that shows, that lights up when you pull up the seat. Power passenger seat with lumbar. Again, you're looking at a chassis, so this gets a service body on it. Can equip it with the rear backup camera, dual rear wheels. Power driver's seat for the driver, obviously. It does have memory controls, power windows and locks, tilt steering and cruise control, 8.4-inch touchscreen radio, has a fixed console in the middle. Stepping up into this vehicle, I'm sitting in the back here. You can see the nice 8.4 touchscreen radio. Got a power sliding rear window. Your 8.4 touchscreen radio gives you information about the vehicle, also where your backup camera shows up. We do have auxiliary switches installed in this, and what that does is if you are upfitting this and need to put additional things, hook up, you've already got your wiring there. It is a four-wheel drive system with the electronic four-wheel drive shifter, two-wheel drive, four-lock, and four-wheel drive. It does have a neutral position, so this vehicle could be towed, behind a large motorhome or something like that. Dual glove boxes, heated seats in the back. On your center stack, you've got your cruise control, your hands-free communication for your telephone. And then on the console, or on the dash itself, above the steering wheel there, is your controls for the different various things as far as your engine temperature, of course your fuel gauges and things like that. There's a lot of information that can be pulled up on that screen and configured differently so you can find things very easily. If I didn't mention, it does have a trailer brake control, diesel exhaust brake on it. Nicely equipped Laramie here. Got a 115 volt adapter with 150 watt for a plug-in there. That radio will accommodate you if you want to play music from your telephone. Different variations on that. Again, this is a 2018 Ram 3500 cab chassis that can be upfitted. For more information on this vehicle or other commercial vehicles we have here at Sherry Chrysler, give Steve a call at 800-678-4188.